Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. What happens when light hits an object? That's our topic for this week. How light bends. Look at this picture, the flowers in this vase. As you can see, the stem of these flowers bend when they are inside the water. Why do you think the stems of the flowers in the picture seems to be broken? See? The stems look broken because light sometimes bends or changes direction. Bends is doblar, hacer un quiebre. Have you ever tried to run through sand or deep snow? In sand, yeah, right? Because I think all of you have been on the beach. Okay. And it is quite difficult to run on the sand. It is difficult to run on the sun. Okay. Because the floor is not solid. And that's why it is difficult. So if so, you know that you cannot run as fast as on solid ground. Light also travels at different speed through different materials. However, when light changes speed, it also changes direction. Light bends when it moves from one material to another. The light rays that reflect from the top of the flower in the base move through air. These rays do not bend. The light rays that reflect from the stem in the water travel back through the water before they reach the air. Light travels faster through air than it does through water. Interesting. When it is raining, for example, we are having a heavy rain and the rain has thunderstorm. And we have a thunderstorm and we have lightnings. Lightnings in the rain. So what happened? This is quite weird. Here, the lightnings, but not this color, not like this. Like that. That's a lightning. When it is raining, a heavy rain, we first see the light and then we listen the thunder. Escuchamos el trueno on the sky, right? Why we see the light first and then we listen the sound? Because light travels faster than sound in the air. But what happened in water? In water, light travels slowly, not in the same speed that travels in the air. What are you writing, Iris? What are you copying? So what happened here? When these rays move into the air, they change speed and bend. The stems look broken. Notice the lenses in the picture on the next page. Look at these. What is the difference? A lens is a transparent object that has at least one curved surface. Okay, a lens. Our glasses, Adriana's glasses, for example, has two lenses, one lens in for each eye. And the lenses, are in this case, Adriana's lenses are transparent object because the light can pass easily through them. When light moves from air into a lens, the light bends. Lenses bend light in a way that makes an image. The lens in the first picture bulges in the middle like a football, like here. It has a curve here. This kind of lens is a convex lens. Notice that the convex lens bends light.
I talk for the trees.
Each of your eyes has a convex lens. Our eyes, it says that our eyes has a convex lens, right? Yesterday I showed you how our eyes work, and it's like a ball and has a convex lens here. The microscope in the picture also uses a convex lens. So the lens is like this, curve, but curve for outside. The lenses of the second picture is thinner in the middle, thinner here, and wider. Okay, thinner in the middle than at the edges. At the edges is wider. This kinds of lenses is concave lens. Noted that the concave lens spread light rays apart. A concave lens makes objects look smaller. So our eyes, the convex lens works as a magnifier. Works as a magnifier, and the concave lens make objects look smaller. Probably these kinds of lenses have some cars. I don't know if you have seen. If you have seen.
Yes, I have a microscope. I can just say that.
You have a microscope? I don't know if you have seen the automobiles, these ones, sometimes has a message. This one. Let me show you.
Me too. Miss, look, this is my microscope.
Oh,
Yo cuando he ido al trabajo de mi mamá, porque mi mamá es una microbiología, creo que es.
oh, good job.
Entonces yo veo ahí.
You can English. You can use a mic. You can observe objects, things through microscopes. That's nice. Okay, so these kinds of mirrors in cars sometimes has a message here and says objects look smaller than actually they are. This mirror has that message. Los objetos pueden lucir más pequeños de lo que en realidad son. Okay, so it means that change. So what kinds of mirrors, what kinds of lenses these mirrors have? According to the information provided in the book, those mirrors in that car are concave because it says that the objects look smaller than they actually are. They have concave lens. How light bends? Copy these two definitions, please. Concave lens, a lens that is thinner in the middle than at the edges. And convex lens, a lens that is thicker.
Please copy the both of two or?
Yes, the two of them. The two of them. So here we have a pair of anthonyms. What are the pair of anthonyms we have here? Thin and thick.
Yes.
These two are anthonyms. Thick and thin.
Probably the internet.
Okay, Kristen, we just begin copying this information. So please copy. You already copy? Did you attend class yesterday, Kristen? No, right?
Yes.
Or yes. Okay, so yes, that's true. So copy the two concepts. You already have the topic because we started the topic yesterday. You copied the topic, the title yesterday. So thick and thinner are opposites. Thin, like this is a line, okay? Thin, it is thin. And this one is thick, like books. Some books are thin, like math, thin, see? What about the language? It's like this, it's thicker, it's thick. So that's the definition here that we have to pay close attention. The concave lens is thinner in the middle than at the edges. In convex lens, is thicker in the middle than at the edges. And we have example here. Okay. Copy the two definitions, please. You could draw the lens. For example, the convex, you have the example here. It is thinner at the middle than at the edges, something like this. This is a concave lens. And the other one is thicker at the middle. Thicker at the middle, see, than at the edges. So that's the difference between these two lenses. Let's make an experiment together. Okay, we have a glass and a glass with water and a pencil. We're gonna try later on this experiment, but before to do this, okay, look at this. The glass, you can do it, it's very, very simple, but you need a glass, a transparent glass with water and a pencil. Look what it happened. The glass, the pen. Yeah, but because you need to observe. Yesterday, remember that yesterday we talked about different materials. In light passes, sometimes can pass through transparent materials, can pass, but not completely, not so clear, through translucent material, but cannot pass through opaque material. That's why you need a transparent glass in order to observe. So what happened? The pencil bends. Why? Because the information we read before says the light moves slowly in water than in air. That's why it looks like this. Now, I wanna share some interesting. Look at this. And
I'm
the
gonna put you to see.
light.
Wait, I'm gonna put.
Maybe we can observe something. It's difficult. Can we see something there?
No,
we see some light, but
yo sí puedo ver algo.
yeah, but it will be better if we place
Miss,
our
I'm gonna
eyes
show
on
you
there.
what I'm putting.
What did you have there? Oh, but
it's glitter.
it was a piece of glitter or something like that. Well, it was definitely.
Paja, it's paja, I think. Pieces of paja.
Okay. Adriana is doing the experiment of the pencil. Let's observe. Okay, can you put it on the table? Place it on the table, please, Adriana. Could you move the camera now? Looks like it is broken, right?
Yeah.
Looks like. You can try it at home. You can try it at home. Now,
Please, you don't imagine what I'm seeing in my camera.
in your camera.
I'm gonna try to put it again.
You're gonna try to put that, but let me find you first. So I need to find you in order to replace this pin.
Let's see.
Wait, I'm gonna stand. I'm gonna do like this better.
What?
But the thing is that you move it a lot, and it has to be still.
You have to.
Wow.
I'm gonna tell you what I see. It's like Yellow pieces.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Okay,
gonna tell
I
my
am.
mom to send you a photo of what
I
I
am-
see.
I am going to finish this video. That was the information she had to copy. So thank you
Please,
for your
you're
attention.
recording.